A teacher is explaining momentum to his curious student. Sir, I saw a video where a truck and a bicycle were moving at the same speed, but when they hit something, the truck caused way more damage. Why is that? Great question. That's actually because of something called momentum. Ever heard of it? I think so, but I don't really get it. No problem. Let me make it simple. Momentum is basically the force of motion. It depends on two things: how heavy something is and how fast it's moving. So, more weight and more speed means more momentum? Exactly. The formula is momentum equals mass times velocity. So even if the truck and bicycle go at the same speed, the truck has more mass, so more momentum? You got it. And that's why it's harder to stop a moving truck than a bicycle. It has way more momentum. Oh, that's why trucks take longer to stop too? Yes. And it's also why crashes involving heavy vehicles are more dangerous. Momentum keeps them going unless something really strong stops them. Wow, I never knew momentum was so important in real life. Physics is everywhere. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Want to learn more cool physics facts? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.